Hi, my name's Amanda and I'm School's Liaison Coordinator here at Plumpton College. Usually I'd be delivering this presentation within your school in person, however obviously due to the coronavirus situation we're going to be doing it virtually today. Hopefully you're all familiar with Plumpton College and our offering, but this short presentation is just going to give you a little bit of an overview as to what it is that we offer and the opportunities available to you post your GCSEs. So here I am at the main campus of Plumpton College. This is based just outside of Plumpton Village in East Sussex. It's a really large campus. We're set on over 800 hectares, so we've got incredible facilities available for our students to benefit from. The college first opened back in 1926, purely as an agricultural college, but since then we've hugely diversified and now have over 13 different departmts. Another campus that we have is close by, on the outskirts of Brighton in Stanmer Park. The campus here has recently been redeveloped in conjunction with Brighton and Hove City Council and South Downs National Park and is now known as our Horticulture Centre of Excellence. The site has just recently opened this September for our horticulture students and they're benefiting from the recreated walled garden there and new sophisticated classrooms that have recently been built. The site's also going to be open in spring 2021 as a visitor attraction for members of the public to enjoy as well. So Plumpton College is a land-based college and sometimes people ask what exactly does that mean? And essentially it can be broken down into jobs and industries into the following three categories: land management and production, animal health and welfare and environmental industries. So if any of those topics are of interest to you or you think that you might like a career in those areas, then it's very likely that we're going to have a course at Plumpton College that is right for you. At Plumpton College, the type of qualification that we offer is a vocational qualification. So this is slightly different to the traditional A-level route, which you may be more familiar with. So if you were to go and choose A-levels, you choose 3 or 4 different subjects to study. At Plumpton, you choose just one vocational qualification. So it may be that you study animal management, and that will be the course that you study with us full-time. We do also offer apprenticeship opportunities in some of our course departments. So that means that you can work as well as study at the same time. As well as this, we also offer foundation level programs, so you can study with us at an entry level program. The majority of our students though do study with us on a level 3 program. For this, you would need a 4 in both English and maths. If for whatever reason you don't quite make those grades, you can still study with us. It would just be on a level 1 or level 2 program, and you can then study with us and retake those maths and English GCSEs. We also offer university level qualifications, so you can study with us at degree level. These courses include animal management, equine, wine business and production, and also veterinary nursing. So on screen, you should be able to see the full list of all departments that we have at Plumpton College. As you'll see, there's quite an array. So we've got everything from animal management, veterinary nursing, land-based engineering, forestry, floristry, horticulture, the list goes on. We've also got apprenticeship opportunities in some of these departments. So they do include fishmongery, bakery, butchery, as well as land-based engineering, motor vehicle and others. For the full list of courses, you can either head online to our website, or if you've got one of our brand new prospectuses, on the back page we have our course index, which again showcases all of the departments, all of the courses and the various different levels of study that we offer those programmes in. So please do take a look for more information. So lots of people ask the question, how do I get to Plumpton College, as we are based in quite a rural location. However, in terms of transport, we're actually really well connected. We're just a couple of miles out of Plumpton Village, where there is a train station, and Lewes train station also isn't far either. However, we've also got a dedicated bus service that's put on solely for Plumpton College students. On the screen now, you'll see a copy of the bus route. As you'll see, really extensive. So we cover parts of East Sussex, West Sussex, as well as also Kent and some parts of Surrey as well. To find out all of the details and all of the information regarding the bus routes, timings and costings, please head online to our website and you'll be able to get all the questions answered that you need. So why Plumpton College? Well, hopefully there's a course that you want to study with us, but we've got a few other reasons why you might like to be a student at Plumpton College as well. In the first instance, the land-based sector as a whole. It's a really great time to be getting into the industry. Our students have a 90% employability rate, so they're leaving us and they're going on to have not just one job at the end of it, but the pick of the jobs. There's been huge technological advances within the sector as a whole, so the entrants that are needed are at a higher skill level, better paid and with better career prospects. So as I said, a really, really great time to be getting into the industry as a whole. Next up, work experience. This is part of all of our college programmes, and it's a great chance for students to have the opportunity to get that real working experience, and it's great that they get to do that as part of their study programmes with us at Plumpton. We also, as well as studying hard, we want you to enjoy your time at college, have fun, make new friends, experience new things. So we've got a host of activities that you can get involved in. We've also got a really vibrant, really busy student union which you can be part of. Plumpton College really listens to you, so as a student you're going to feel like your voice is heard, so it's a great opportunity to get involved in. We've also got a really supportive environment, so whether it's from your new friends that you make, whether it's your course tutors, or whether it's our wellbeing and safeguarding team, there's always someone that you can turn to with any problems that you might have whilst you study with us at Plumpton. On the slide coming up, you've got a countdown to college timeline. So if there's something that I've spoken about today that you're interested in, find out more, come and visit us is what we'd normally say. Obviously, due to the current corona situation, that's a little bit more tricky, but we're hosting a number of information events, so you can visit us virtually and find out all you need to know. If you do then wish to apply, all you need to do is head online to our website, go to the chosen department and the chosen course that you want to study with us. There's then a very clear button that says apply now. Complete the online application form and we'll be in touch. The only caveat with this is that if you're in a school based in East Sussex, you may be applying online using e-prospectus, for which you'll do this at school with your tutor or careers leader, so please don't make a duplicate application outside of school. The next stage of the process will be an interview process. This is really informal, nothing to worry about, and very normal for college applications. It's really just a chance for you to have a two-way conversation with the tutor. You can ask any questions that you've got, and the tutor can check that it's the right level of study for you and ask any other necessary questions. Fingers crossed, we'll then be in touch to confirm your offer, which you'll then need to formally accept. Over the coming few months, we'll just be staying in touch with you, keeping you up to date with any news and information that you need ahead of your enrolment with us in September. So we've got a number of information events coming up where you can find out lots more information about Plumpton College. These are going to be held virtually due to the corona situation. However, we've got a dedicated platform where you can find out lots more information, speak to departments and find out all you need to know about Plumpton College. We've also got our Taster Days, really popular events where you can come and try and see what it's like to be a student at Plumpton College for the day. These take place on the Monday, Tuesday of February half term, so make a note of the dates in your diary and keep an eye on the website to find out more. I hope this presentation has helped inspire you as to your next step post your GCSEs. In order to find out more information about Plumpton College, head online to our website, plumpton.ac.uk, or take a look at our brand new prospectus, which has lots of information about courses and further information about studying at Plumpton. You can also follow us on our active social channels to learn more about what it's like behind the scenes and what it's like to be a student at Plumpton College. Wishing you the best of luck for your GCSEs, and we hope to welcome you to Plumpton College soon.